Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fairly Wahdini channel. And today I will make a video for basic communication and public speaking segment with the lecturer Dr. Salmaini as SPD MSE, which is reading an article with the title The relationship between the ability of understanding mathematical concept with language ability during contextual learning. Abstract. Interesting, the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on students language skill through contextual learning based on Padang, Pariaman, Tabui culture on their ability to understand mathematical concept. It was survey research. The sample was selected simple, random, as many as 100 people from 889 student of Senior High School 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang, Tabi culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structure equation model. It is analyzed using a list for application program. The conclusion of this study is that student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabuik culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concept. And keyword conceptual comprehension ability, language ability, and contextual learning. Introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students. Even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematical is abstract. It is very possible for him to have misconceptions. Students learning mathematical concept and need relational understanding, so that it can lead to misunderstanding and difficulty learning. To overcome student mistake and misconceptions in learning mathematical is through learning that is close to the student. Means student can do mathematical process horizontal. Such learning will improve student through process such that is become a meaningful learning that is close to the daily life of student is one of the starting point of learning mathematics. Something that become a habit of student is local culture. One of them is local music. This can increase mathematical abilities such as the ability to represent mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem solving skill. This learning can also minimize student mistake in understanding mathematics. Though music is one of Pariaman culture, music contributes to children's cognitive development. Music helps activate the child motor research cells, like the music that accompanies regional dance. KJ dance becomes the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skill. Students identify and classify them as geometric structures. They are able to use model and symbols to represent the concept of geometric shapes. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concepts and relate basic music include sets, equipment, relation, function, and graphic. Integrates rational numbers, real numbers, notes, chord, notes, music, intervals, scales, and key signs. This will increase one's music intelligence. It was include sensitivity to rhythm, melody, and tonal color of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with Tablik culture. This is held every year in the month of Muharram. The Tablik ceremony has several ritual parts. This always involves Pariaman regional music, which is often referred to as dol music. In the Tablik tradition, the dol is a traditional drum which originated from Padang province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The Tablik ceremony commemorates the death of Hassan and Hussein, the grandchildren of the Prophet Muhammad. This is a contextual problem that can be used as a starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach is an approach that involves students who are active in the learning process. It is to discover or rediscover concepts based on student previous knowledge and experience. Language ability through musical chanting can affect the understanding of mathematical concepts. Understanding this concept is a mathematical problem by emphasizing mathematical objects. Mathematical objects include fact, concept, principles, and operation. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understand concept. The ability to understand concept is a cognitive ability that includes restoring the definition of a concept, classifying objects into a concept, providing examples and not example of a concept, representing a concept in several forms, developing necessary and sufficient condition, using centered operation, and applying the concept in problem solving. The ability to understand mathematically can be achieved completely if students learn through a mathematics approach. Therefore, the language skills that are practiced through the art of the music as a local culture allow for an increase in mathematical understanding. It shows the existence of a conceptual diagram as the relationship between language skill and the understanding of math concepts. Language skills that are sung in music give a person a sense of relaxation. Formulation of the problem of this research is whether the student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concepts. Methods. This research is a study with a survey approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman, Tabik culture as the understanding of math concept. The population is a student of senior high school 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of affordable population is 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selection was made through simple random sampling technique. There are two latent variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. The understanding of math concept is this study is specifically about the understanding of mathematical concept. Research we carried out when the annual Padang Tabik culture activity was underway. Therefore, the entire population reached is this study has followed this learning model. The research instrument was language proficiency. Result and discussion. The data from this test is the understanding of math concepts and language skill. As a latent variable, each variable indicator is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For latent language ability variable, the indicator variable for understanding mathematical concept restates the notion of a concept, classifies object according to certain concept, provides example and not example of a concept. Present concept in various forms of representation. Select an operation and applies the concept to problem solving by using the Lisre application program. The data were analyzed and presented in table. Based on table 1, it is found that a statistical test meet the fit good criteria. It is a theoretical method that first empirical data. The analysis results show that there are growth measures that show good compatibility and only one is not good. The conclusion of this analysis is that the overall method meets the good category. Furthermore, a diagram of the basic most standard solution can be presented. It can be seen in figure. Based on the table 2, the language ability variable, which consists of 4 indicator variables, has shown good validity. The table states that the leading factor values is more than and the values is more than. To explain the indicator variable for mathematical thinking, skill, understanding mathematical concept, see Table 3. Table 3 shows that the validity of the 7 or 7 variables. On the understanding of mathematical concept, the 7 variables observed were valid. The 7 manifest variables are restatement of concept. Classify object according to certain properties according to the concept. Based on the validity and reliability test and figure 2, basic model t-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect of student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabik culture on the understanding of mathematical concept. The test show that T for T6 with p-value. This means that there is a positive direct influence on student language skill through contextual learning based on the Tabui Padang culture of their ability to understanding mathematical concepts. The results of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abstraction ability of low-level elementary students. Mathematics-based mathematics learning and a cognitive mathematics approach have a positive impact on student cognitive process. Students have the ability to understand multiplication and division operation, also able to communicate verbally, in writing and mathematical representation. It is based on real media based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill through contextual learning based on local culture have an effect on the understanding of math concept. Conclusion. We conclude that there are positive direct effect of student language skill through contextual culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicators of the two variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Therefore, understanding of mathematical concept to improve mathematical thinking skill, educators must apply contextual learning based on local culture. Okay everyone, that's all of me video reading and article. Thank you for watching. See you guys.